Today my little helper, Tully the fox, and I are making delicious and healthy chocolate chip date muffins. They're naturally sweet and so easy to make. It's a perfect cooking adventure for a little chef, with a grown-up to help with the tricky parts. What you'll need: 1.5 cups of pitted dates, 1 cup of boiled water, 1 cup of milk, half a cup of extra olive oil or melted butter, 2 large eggs, half a cup of honey, 2 cups of self-raising flour, half a cup of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a cup of chocolate chips. Let's get baking. Just like that, warm, gooey, and absolutely delicious muffins that you and your little chef and Tully made together. Thanks for watching. Tap the like button if you had fun and subscribe so you never miss a new video.